Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tutor Pro 360. Today we will learn computer MCQ question and answers that are most commonly used for the competitive exams. Let's start. What does CPU stands for? Think. It is Central Processing Unit. Which device is used to store data permanently? RAM, hard disk, cache memory or register? And the answer is hard disk. What is the full form of RAM? Read access memory, random access memory, rapid access memory, random allocation memory. And the answer is random access memory. Which programming language is also known as mother of all languages? Python, Java, C, assembly. And the answer is C. What does HTML stands for? Hypertext Markup Language, High-Tech Modern Language, Hypertext Markup Language, Home Tool Markup Language. Answer is A. Hypertext Markup Language. Which is the brain of computer? Monitor, CPU, hard disk or keyboard? Answer is CPU. What is 1 byte equal to? 4 bytes, 8 bytes, 16 bytes, 32 bytes. Answer is 8 bits. What is an input device? Monitor, printer, keyboard, speaker. Keyboard. What does OS stands for? Open software, operating system, optical scanner, output source. Answer is operating system. Which is not an operating system? Windows, Linux, Oracle, Mac OS. Answer is Oracle. What does URL stands for? Uniform Resource Locator, Universal Resource Link, Unified Resource Locator, Universal Reference Link. Answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Which device converts digital to analog signals? Options: router, modem, switch, hub. Answer is modem. What is the extension of MS Word file? .xls, .ppt, .docx, .pdf. Answer is .docx. Which key is used to refresh a web page? F1, F3, F5, F7. F5. What does HTTP stands for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol, High Tech Transfer Protocol, Hypertext Protocol, Home Text Transfer Protocol. Answer is option A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which is the fastest memory in a computer? Hard disk, RAM, cache, SSD. Cache. What does PDF stands for? Portable document format, print document file, personal data format, printed document format. Answer is portable document format. Which shortcut is used to copy text? Ctrl plus V, Ctrl plus X, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus Z. Answer is Ctrl plus C. What is the binary code for number 5? 100, 101, 110, 111. And the answer is option B, 101. What is an example of volatile memory? ROM, hard disk, RAM, SSD. Answer is RAM. What does LAN stands for? LAN. Large area network, local area network, long area network, linked area network. Answer is local area network. Which generation of computer used transistors? First, second, third, fourth. Answer is second. Second generation of computers used transistors. What is the full form of USB? Universal Serial Bus, Unified System Bus, Universal System Board, Unified Serial Bus. Universal Serial Bus. What is not a web browser? Chrome, Firefox, Outlook, Safari. And the answer is Outlook. What does GUI stand for? General User Interface, Graphical User Interface, Global User Interface, Graphical Unified Interface. And the answer is Graphical User Interface. If you like this video, thank you, and please like, share and subscribe, as well as comment what are the things that you require for the next video. Thank you so much.